Commencement of my tenure, one of the tasks I was assigned was to accomplish electoral reform in its broadest sense. We started in 2019 upon my entry into office by addressing the participation of parties in new parties, in snap elections, allowing them more time to meet the various thresholds to participate in an election, whether the election is called on short notice, as we call snap elections, or generally. This year, we also adjusted the laws on the financial auditing and registration of political parties. Of course, there's more to be done, and we were in the planning and processing phases to have some activities carried out to handle said adjustments. My team already had an inclusive community approach planned to address some of the more pertinent issues related to electoral reform in a lead up of our celebration of Constitutional Day on October 10th. So I will be announcing the rollout of this series of community engagement activities that will form the basis for the proposals so that whatever electoral reform is then put forward legislatively to our parliament, it would have the buy-in of the community as well. So I do look forward to be able to do those, and it is proposed to start with those by mid-August.